Good morning, guys. Today is January 30th, and I am not going to be there today because one of my kids woke up sick. I am dressed and ready to go to work, but got other plans for me today. All right, so what you're going to work on today, you're going to work on completing your classwork 15 work booklet. If you guys forgot, your seating charts are here for quarter three, set 3, set 5, and set 7. You can pause it so that you can take attendance to make sure everything is there. Just X out this window. All right, so the classwork 15. We have completed the warring states, answered these 4 questions. If you do not have answers there, please look to a classmate or go back to the transcripts on the quarter 3. I'll show that in a few seconds. Go back to those transcripts to get those answers. Make sure that you have these answers and those annotated. And the legalism tracker. 3 reasons why legalism helped Shi Huangdi improve China or did not improve China depending on your thesis tracker. If you forgot or lost your thesis working on your daily thesis, you can go on to the Mrs. Walters quarter 3. It's shared with you in the Google Drive. You can click on writing with a thesis. It comes up. You can click on it. You can go to File, make a copy, make a copy of it and add it into your own drive so that you can then work on it in class. If not, you can do, that's it. That's all you can do. So just do that. All right. Also, if you don't have classwork, the 15, it is here. You can click on that to open that up. All right, so make sure that you have this completed. You should already have it done. You should have the Terracotta Army, Great Wall of China working thesis completed, legalism working thesis, and questions of inquiry that can be completed. Remember, the questions of inquiry are questions that we did not get from our secondary and primary sources that you've already analyzed. So who followed through with the laws? Who created the laws? We don't have that information yet. Okay, then you're going to go on to the turn, talk, and jot. For about 5 minutes, turn to the people at your table. You're going to discuss what laws and legal systems we have in place today. Okay? Laws and legal systems that we've already studied. So, example, Hammurabi's Code. We've talked about religious codes that developed laws in their states or their empires or their dynasties. So check that out. Also, why do we have laws? Why do laws occur? And the last part is, what type of laws do you think or policies do you think could unify China under Shi Huangdi's rule? How did those laws present themselves to the people to help unify those 7 warring states? And remember, Li Si said it was going to be a tough job, but you had to enforce really quickly. Then after you do that, you're going to go down to standardization of new laws. You're going to read the historical context. Remember, the historical context is what gives us the information that helps us understand the big picture. What's going on in this area or this region that's going to give him the possibilities or the opportunities to be able to unify China. So things that you already know. You know things about legalism, or some things about legalism. You know who Shi Huangdi is. You know about the 7 warring states. You know that they used fortified walls based on the map 1 on that first page. Those are the things you could add for the prior knowledge. When you read the historical context, it's great to understand what you need to know to develop knowledge. The reason why you do this is because in the real world, things are going to come up in the news and you're going to be like, I know this, but I need to know more about that to understand why this person feels this way, why the government's making this choice for us, why is these people protesting, to help understand the big picture and other people's perspectives. So it's extremely important to understand other people's knowledge. Or understand what you need to know about other people's knowledge, educating yourself. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to look at the images, and then you're going to read the caption that is associated with it. Okay, there are questions. So we always read the questions first because we set the purpose for reading. Go through all of the images. After you're done going through all the images, guess what we're doing again? Thesis tracker. Did Xi Huangdi improve China? Now we're using the concept, did Xi Huangdi unify China, by the standardization of currency, weights, and writing. Standardization means that everybody across that entire region was using the same currency, same weights, and same writing. And then you're going to go to your working thesis and complete this section. Do not do the bottom piece. Do not do the bottom piece, okay? Once you're done with all of that, you are not going to do anything else. You're going to take out some work for another class and work quietly, but this should take you the whole set. Go back and make sure that you have all of your reasons, all your supporting evidence, all of your thesis tracker, the working thesis is completed. I am checking it tomorrow for a lot of points. So please make sure that you have it done, okay? You had this time, get it done. If you have any questions, email me, and I will be happy to answer those emails for you. Hopefully, I will definitely be in tomorrow because my husband will be home and he can take care of the children if they are still sick. Have a beautiful day, and like I said, please email me if you have any questions.